So we're back. The next thing what was done is to insert the 4 rubber distance feet, whatever you call them. Pretty easy. You just insert them from the bottom and then you pull them until they're in their final position. Next thing we do is we solder the battery holder from the upside. Make sure that the battery holder is inserted well and right, so positive on the positive side, and the leads are shortened, that they are not touching when you're completing and you're closing the enclosure. There are also rubber distances to keep the contact leads away from the aluminum enclosure on the upper side. So now what I basically do for soldering these large pads, I choose a large solder iron tip. I also like to use some sort of flux. And a well heated, and then we go. Nicely preheat. And solder it in. This is fine enough. Inspect the soldering. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. And check the continuity. Clean the PCBA after soldering.